Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Telegram call history, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Telegram call history, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see there is the calls option available for us. Just below the contacts, tap on calls. Now, in order to proceed from over here to delete your Telegram call history, you can either choose to delete a specific call history, or you can choose to delete all of the call history available on your Telegram. So in order to proceed, guys, let's start with a specific call history. Now you can see there is a person I had called over here, that's my friend. Now, in order to delete that specific call history, we'll be required to tap and hold on the call history over here, and the moment the green tick mark appears at the left side on the profile picture, the delete icon or the dumpster icon will be available for us. At the top right, in order to delete that specific call history, tap on the delete button at the top right, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see it says, do you want to delete selected calls from your recent, and there is a box saying delete for everyone. If you tap on that box, a tick mark will be appeared and that call history will be deleted for their account as well. In order to proceed to delete the specific call history, tap on delete and that call history will be deleted from over here. But if you want to delete all of the call history at once on Telegram, let's unchoose this and let's go back and let's go to the calls again. So back on this interface, guys, from this interface you can see without doing anything there is a three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen on this call interface. Tap on that three dotted icon and the delete all calls option will be available for you, and tap on that delete all calls, and when this pop-up box appears where it says do you want to delete all recent calls, and here it also says delete for everyone. If you want that to be deleted for everyone, tap on the empty box and a tick mark will appear. And now from over here, if you tap on the delete, all of your call history on Telegram will be deleted. And there, guys, this is how to delete Telegram call history. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.